Hi, I'm Meats. I just wanted to give a huge thank you to ZBrush. I love your software. I even sculpted my favorite suit in you.
He's always horning in. So I'm Meier. I have a long history with ZBrush. I did one of the original box covers, and I taught the very first ever professional ZBrush class at the Noman School of Visual Effects, of course, and did lots of lectures about ZBrush back in the day when everybody was just learning about it and getting really excited. Pixelator even one time came out to my house to help teach me ZBrush before the training DVDs came out, and I'll never forget that. It's a beautiful experience. Well, before ZBrush came out, doing work with digital artwork was very technical. Basically, it was kind of moving points around individually. It was just really for techies only. And once ZBrush came out, we finally had the ability to sculpt like artists, and it allowed lots of different artists to come in and finally be able to enjoy the digital tools that are available. And it kind of converted a lot of people over finally. But it completely changed my life. I've been using it for 15, 16, 17 years, whatever it is now. Time flies, but I just want to give my huge thank you to ZBrush. It's the most amazing software that I ever used. I use it on a daily basis. I use it for my work. I use it for fun. And thanks again. Appreciate it.